Have you ever wanted to transform your skills into an opportunity to start or grow your own business or side hustle? Let me show you how a Torchmate plasma table is the perfect tool to help you accomplish just that, and how to get started right away. We'll even show you real examples of what people are creating and selling right now. The possibilities are endless with what you can create. I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and right now I'm going to show you what's possible with a Torchmate plasma table. Here's just a few examples of the incredible projects you can create with a Torchmate. Custom metal signs of all types, including shops, restaurants, and businesses. Metal stools, kayak racks, custom trophies, mobile welding carts, custom mailboxes, custom fire pits, coffee tables, and many other unique metal art projects of almost anything you can think of. These are just a few examples of what you can make with a plasma table, but you can cut almost any two-dimensional design that you can think of. You can also combine multiple pieces to make a fully 3D project. Not only can you create these amazing results for yourself or to give as gifts to family and friends, but you can also sell your finished products. Our customers come from all walks of life and sell their finished metal projects in many different ways. Online, at local craft fairs and markets, or even at their very own storefront. And now, I want to share with you one of the most powerful ways our customers often start their own businesses, and that's with custom metal signs. Metal signs are unique to each business and completely customizable with a Torchmate plasma table. They can be finished in a variety of ways, giving you a great start to selling your product in your local market. Our customers make signs for all different types of businesses, from restaurants to shops, local clubs, and schools. Signs can be produced for both interior and exterior use, and it's a great way to get started right away. One thing everyone always asks me is how easy is it to get started creating my own designs and start cutting them out? That's what I want to show you in our new webinar. It's a completely free presentation on exactly how a Torchmate machine can help you get started fast and give you insight into our successful customers on exactly how they built their businesses around a Torchmate machine and how you can too. We'll show you the Torchmate plasma table and how our complete system gives you everything you need to get started cutting metal right away. We provide best-in-class support and the same complete high-quality training in a variety of different ways that our expert team uses in the field every day. Join me today in our complete webinar that will showcase everything you need to know to get started building an incredible side hustle or business with your Torchmate plasma table. And I'll be with you every step of the way. Go ahead and click now, and after a brief sign-up, you'll be through to watch the completely free presentation. You'll see the Torchmate machines in action, how to bring your designs to life, and how quickly you can get started. I'll walk you through each step of the process, from designing to cutting your own metal parts, and show you the final results. You'll also get to go through a full pricing breakdown to see what it'll take to add a Torchmate table to your operation. Go ahead and click below to sign up, and I'll see you on the other side.